At Nicholls and Clarke, we are committed to a sustainable future and improving the social, economic and environmental well-being of the community in which we work and ultimately live. We're continually seeking new ways to reduce our impact on the environment and investing across the group to improve our efficiencies and reduce our carbon footprint. Climate change and increasing resource scarcity are complex global challenges which will affect every part of our business. To grow our business sustainably, we must use our planet's resources wisely and do all we can to tackle climate change. We are committed to reducing the environmental impact of our business. We're cutting carbon in our operations and using forward-thinking technologies to maximise energy efficiencies across the group. We have invested in our latest initiative, installing over 1,000 solar panels on the roof of our company head office in Chadwell Heath. Once complete, this will be a saving of 170,000 kilograms of CO2 per year from this site alone. This is a significant investment and a real sign of our intentions on reducing our carbon footprint. We know we're on a journey and will continually strive to improve our impact on the environment.